Hello everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. The last 2 weeks I was making cyberpunk guns out of water blasters, and this is part 1 of my Neotropolis recap video series where we actually go out to the desert and live the cyberpunk life as a go-go dancer. Totem that we're staying by is that pink lightning. See it in the morning. People are so organized. I love it. It's dark, but you can see stars. That is them. Nobody's in it. I think they're over there.
So they're closer.
I think I saw the guy over there though.
Come see! It's very creepy, but I also want, like, later tonight, I know, Brittany. They call her Brittany now. Everyone's like, I got 6 more cats.
Yeah, I think it was a star.
Debbie.
Yeah, they were the ones doing the 99. Yeah, okay, yeah.
The Electro-Erotic Emporium.
Sex, bot sales, and repair. Must have hit a button.
potty.
That's quite a headpiece.
Seems really crowded. Well, she was like, "What? Do you have anything to barter?" And I was like, "I'm a performer. I can perform for you." And I'm doing video. Get all the shiny.
Be a person who's trying here right now.
Oh no, the K went out.
Heavily occupied. You're very counterproductive.
We have an open air nightclub for you to see through the sky.
I'll be right back.
Please,
Oh, I know you like this shit. Kind of. I know, he's more base. There's Steven.
The world is under attack.
I have to censor them, so. Oh, they're heavy.
They're very heavy.
Oh my god.
They're like falling off my body at any given time.
Donate what? A dino? Oh my god. Is that a mushroom?
Perhaps.
There's a penguin. Oh my god, is this fucking Bender?
No.
That would be funny if it was. Yeah. Really good view.
You need a wider angle lens, that's what you need.
Is it zoomed all the way out?
Yeah, bro.
Is it going or no? How long did it take to make?
I mean, in terms of design, it maybe took like an hour. In terms of like the laser etching over it, maybe like 15 minutes.
That's fast.
Yeah, I mean, it's done in like 3 passes, or it's done in 1 pass for raster, and then 2 passes to cut it out, and then multiply that by 3 pieces, and then I put it together. Glad you like the house.
Thank you.
Power 6 that we find our way to the right track. walking by.
I love that big blue thing.
You enjoy?
Oh, that's small.
I feel like soap. I've got my different viruses. All fun weapons.
No, I think I'll do it. Fuck it.
Oh, good God.
Yeah.
I'm dying.
It's good stuff though, right?
It is.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, Brent.
Will you be I gotta get it in action. Ooh. Yes.
Oh my god. Dude, like, oh my god, dude. Fantastic.
so fast. All right, that concludes day 1 of Neotropolis. It was more towards the evening as we were traveling during the day, but stick around for the next part in the upcoming week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn more about Neotropolis. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.